Need a plumber you can count on in Arvada, Boulder, or Denver. All sewer and plumbing services helps with everyday plumbing services, clogged drain problems, and full drain and sewer cleaning. If your sink is backing up, your sewer line is acting up, or you need hydrojetting to clear tough buildup, we've got it. We also handle pipe repair, commercial plumbing, tankless water heater repair, and water heater installation. Straight answers, clean work, and respect for your home. Call for info today.